Got some goodies. Try it? Yeah. There we go. But the clutch is really nice. Brand new clutch. It's very smooth. Give it some gas. There you go. Hella fast. Feels crazy for being as like, I mean, cautious as he is with shit like that.
The only thing is how low it is. That's the only thing I'm worried about.
Yeah.
He hasn't driven a low car before. So exhaust might come back ripped off, torn to pieces. Shit, who knows? We'll see. Excuse my language. How are you smoking cigarettes?
Hello. What? Alright, I'll bring some test.
What happened?
You get stuck?
Yo, knowing you, I didn't think you were gonna leave the shop.
Oh my gosh. So we let Zach take the S13 out.
Sorry, I got an itch. I had to drive it, dude.
He took it out on the street. I guess it was ripping, I'm sure.
Oh, it was made the U-turn right there, and it just went. And I was like, oh fuck, I pulled over.
He said he ripped off the exhaust is hanging a little bit. Oh yeah.
Let's get this out of Mexico real quick.
Yeah, let's get this out of Mexico.
Oh, damn, dude. Hopefully we ain't fucking.
Run that.
Hopefully we didn't
over.
get sabotaged.
Oh,
Fucking tire codes. I hate nails.
Also, we're gonna have to.
Alright, pop this shit. Let's do this quick.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
Let's get this up. You got zip ties? Got something?
Quick fix. Let's see.
Yeah, I can hold it up, but I can't. Yeah, it's pretty hard.
Oh yeah, that shit's low.
Oh yeah.
That shit is done for. That flange is shot.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, that fucked her up there. Sure, we're gonna have to check your turbo flange and shit. Fucking DeLorean? What the fuck?
That's gonna
That'll
be
do.
the best
That'll get
right
us
now.
back to the shop.
You can tell as soon as it hit the ground, you knew what would happen. Oh shit! What the fuck?
I scraped the zip tie off.
Alright. Start this thing up and get it out of the way. That's how we get my brother's S13 in here.
It ain't that low. I'm like, bro, this frame, my frame, mine's like 6 inches.
Woo! Get it on out of here. Look at this boy.
I got hella close to the tip.
Oh yeah. This thing sounds good. Sheesh. Oh yeah. We got it going on in there. I gotta get tuning back. It's been way too long.
Yeah.
Way too long. Hold it right there. Let's get this sweeped out real quick. Yeah. All right. Where's the arms? You got all the arms over there?
Oh yeah, we got them. Christmas
Oh,
came
yeah.
early. Oh yeah. Some quality right here.
So it's the end of May,
Oh my
but
gosh, these are
unfortunately the weather is shit out here. And I don't know if it's gonna rain or not, so I'm rolling my windows up. Shit is ugly out here. Damn, I can tell you never worked on a car before. This thing is clean.
Oh,
This thing is
we're
way
about to
too
get it
clean.
dirty right now.
Way too clean.
We're about to get it dirty
Yeah.
right now.
So, story behind this engine. This is my old engine from my S14. That was the engine that came with the car when I got it originally. I blew this up at Thunder Hill on I think my second or third event. There was a hole in one of the valves. Oil was spitting out right here out of the PCV.
Caught fire.
And yeah, it caught fire right here. Burned the valve cover, but this thing got a full rebuild.
That's what I'm saying.
Basically it's all stock. Besides forged internals. You plan to put any power to this thing?
We'll see. We need a
We'll see.
standalone.
You need a standalone, yeah.
Before anything else, we need a standalone.
You need an ECU, yeah. An ECU and a tune. Just get this thing running reliably.
Get it shredded.
Fucking maybe a bigger turbo too, shit. Get rid of that little guy down there. Some little shit here and there. Gotta go over everything. How many events you done with this?
I think three total events. And the first one was a dud. The second one was a dud. And actually 4. Sonoma Winter Jam. And it was raining, so we didn't really get to fully test the car out. And after that, we went to Thunder Hill for the Good Luck League.
The Good Luck League, yeah.
The Good Luck
That was
League,
good.
and that was
Skid
really
Pass-
my
Skid Pass
first
Social one, yeah.
event. But outside of that, a little street drifting, testing the tires. But it's
Yeah.
feeling good.
Yeah.
Just gonna improve
Just gotta
from
find the
here.
gremlins here and there and fix those little gremlins and get this thing running solid.
Oh yeah.
So has all the stock arms in the rear. All these are coming off. This one's already coming off. Taking the upper arm off and then taking the front toe arm off. I got it. We took off the 2 nuts for the coil. We dropped the coil out. And then we got this bolt down here on the bottom of the coil. We got the coil over out now.
These things have seen better days.
Some T-ends.
They've seen better days, that's for sure.
Yeah.
We're gonna
Yeah, we'll clean these up.
definitely clean those up.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a problem.
Oh, we got some wrench on that side. There we go. Yep. Yeah, look at that stance.
Nope. That's not happening. We need to put some WD-40 on it. Let's not hurt ourselves.
Oh, we'll get the impact on there.
Yeah, we can do that. Holy shit. Man, like I said, WD-40.
Oh yeah.
Little WD-40 and you're good. Wait a second.
WD-40.
WD-40. Don't forget to use your WD-40.
Oh yeah, that's on that.
There you go.
We got all the old arms off. We got the top, the rear toe arm, and the front toe arm. So, you see it's all cleared out. Yeah, it's just hanging here. Probably not the best, but. Alright. Let's get these new ones in.
Let's do it.
So we're getting the upper arms ready to put on. And as far as adjustability goes, I get both of these as closed as possible, so everything is as tight as possible when I put it on, just that it's all even and you can get the most adjustability out of it. And it really helps if you need to use the most adjustability that you can. Everything is even and you do get the most adjustability out of it. So that's a good little tip. Make sure these are as closed as possible. So the rear bolt, let me see this. The rear bolt for the upper arm has this little camber adjuster oblong washer type thing. Just make sure you put both of them the right way. We're gonna be able to do all the adjusting and shit from here. So just put both the washers the same way, so that everything's all the same.
We're gonna have to
If you put one up, put the other one up. If you put it down, put the other one down.
So we should put the bolt up in here.
Yeah. Get that back one on there. Remember, keep your spacers on there. Don't lose your spacers.
Wish we had a flashlight in here for you guys.
Can't see shit.
That needs to align. There we go.
Smooth.
Put the bolt on.
So it's it. This thing's probably
Dial thing.
this grimy ass thing.
We're gonna see what we could do with this.
It's gonna get cleaned up. Gonna use WD-40
Definitely.
and a wire brush. Alright, so we got the front toe arm on, we got the upper arm on, we got the rear toe arm on. All Gktech. Shit fits hella good. Got the coil cleaned up a little bit. And now Maddie's working on the other side.
We're gonna need to spray it with some WD-40.
Alright, so we'll spray everything down real quick and then get everything off and get this side on so that we can start getting this shit aligned. Yep. We got this side all off. Just got this coil cleaned up. And we're gonna eat real quick. Take a little food break. Get some brats. Then we'll get back to work. Fucking awesome spatula. So again, like I said before, I just like to make sure all these are closed all the way. That way you can get the most adjustability out of them, instead of one running out of thread or bottoming out before the other one. Get them closed as much as they can, and then basically the closest setting to where you can put it on. Install it like that. Get the most adjustability out of it.
Make sure we got the right bolts.
So we'll put the washer down because that's how it was on the other side. Alright, so we got the upper control arm on.
Right here, make sure you don't drop the spacers.
Right now, Pandora's giving listeners a free 30-day trial of ad-free lifting.
So we got the upper control arm on, we got the front toe arm on. Put the bottom on first and then lifted this whole assembly up so that these two studs would fit through the shock tower. This bolt hole needs to go right here. So I'll adjust this in order to move the whole assembly that way. We got all the mounting spots torqued down. All the lock nuts are loose, so that all the lock nuts are loose, so that we're able to just drop the car down and start adjusting the rear alignment.
Now we're getting, what is the reading we're getting?
In the camber reading, you got about 1.5 degrees negative camber.
1.5 degrees negative camber is the reading on the right side.
1.6 degrees negative camber.
1.6 degrees negative camber on the left side.
We're gonna send the rear upper control arms out to get a little bit more closer to 0 degrees camber.
Perfect, perfect. So right now, Nick is down here adjusting the camber. We're trying to zero it out. Wow, we have no light up in here. He is working in the dark. He must be nocturnal. We thought it would be smart to
Yeah, we're gonna raise this thing up so it can actually function a little better.
yes,
Instead of being on the ground.
without worrying about exploding this fiberglass. I have a Villains angle kit. It's already been put to use. It feels amazing. CTSV Brembo brakes.
Turn the wheel. How's it feel?
Rear feels good. I think the alignment in the front needs a little touching up because the steering feels a little delayed. On one side, it's not as tight as the other side, so we'll check that out probably another day.
Oh yeah.
But other than that, the rear feels way better than before.
Oh yeah. Looks way better.
Alright, Nick, what do you have to say to the viewers? Whoever will be watching this.
We got a lot done today. We got all 3, or well 6 altogether. We got the full adjustable rear arms from Gktech on Matt's s13, and we got it all lined up. So yeah, stay tuned. Comment, like, subscribe. See you guys later.